Hey, Zachariah here from Zen Marketing, and today we're going to talk about how to fix this very common error and problem where you publish some creatives and then in the ad set, when Meta finds one winning creative, the other ones are not really tested. I understand because so many people just put money into creatives, like making ads and creatives cost money. So I understand completely how some people can be furious about this, because if you spend some money into making creatives, you want to know if they work or not. I understand that completely. So let's go to the computer and I'm going to show you how to fix that on a really easy step by step. Okay, so right now we look at the Meta Ads Manager, and as we can see, we have different ad sets. And what we are going to do, okay, is the following. So we're gonna go into one of the ad sets, okay, and then we're gonna see, okay, you see we have a lot of creatives in here, we have a lot of ads, and then we can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them are now being tested, and 2 of them are being tested on a really low volume. Okay, if we actually go to amount spent, you see we have $10 daily, and it's not being tested. You see, it's not being tested at all. So what are we going to do? So we see right now that 2 of all of the ads are being they are winning ads, but all of the other ones are not being tested at all. You can see here, if we go to amount spent, you see 0, 0, 0, 15 cents, 10 cents, 0, 0, and then we have this one, 20 euros, $20. This is 3 days, right? So, and $2. So we're gonna see, we're gonna literally going and select the winning ads, these ones, and we're gonna remember the name of the ads. Okay, in this case is ad 5, and with chi drift car plus drift, la la la. Okay, so we're gonna go is going back to the ad set, and we're gonna duplicate this ad set. Okay, duplicate them. I'm not applying recommendations right now, I don't care. But number of copies, 1 of them. Okay, duplicate it. Okay, so once we're here, yeah, we deselect them all, as you see I've just done. Okay, we go and deselect them all, turn them off. Okay, and what we're gonna do is go back to Spanish countries, okay, the original ad set, yeah, and we're going to select the not winning ads. Okay, so for example, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Let me see if I have anything else. No, those ones. Okay, so we're gonna do is duplicate them. Okay, I don't want to play a recommendation. Thank you, Meta. So what we're gonna do is a Spanish countries copy. Yeah, we're gonna go there and we're gonna literally duplicate it. Okay, so once we go to the other one, you see, we're gonna literally publish it. And now I'm going to explain why we're doing this for. Okay, so those are the ones that we're going to publish. Okay. So why are we doing this? Okay, so let me explain you really quick. So Meta, when they find a winning ad, they want to allocate the money to that winning ad, and they do not want to allocate the money to other ads, even if they have not tested. If they find some ad or creative, it is really, really low on budget based on data they have. I don't know how they test it, but they test it some certain way that they decide automatically this is a winning ad. But sometimes it is not, or sometimes it is, but all the creators are not tested. So we do this, so we have 2 ad sets, one of them with the winning ad and one of them without the winning ad. So this way, what we're gonna see is on the copy that we made, we're gonna see that the no winning ads, or what Meta defines as not winning ads, we're gonna now test them as not winning ads, and then we're gonna see how these ads are going to work. If we find some new winning ad, then you're gonna see that this test is working. And I am doing this actively on some of the campaigns I am doing right now. You're gonna see I just did this with this campaign, if I'm not wrong. No, not this one, sorry. With this one actually, yeah. You're gonna see I have literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 active ad sets, when normally I just have 5. And this, I just did this, yeah. And I really like this strategy, as I just told you, because we're gonna see how Meta reacts to this new creative. Because Meta is going to see that these are like new creatives, okay? So you can also see if they are winning ads, they are normal performing ads, or they are really bad ads, okay? And please do not forget about just deselecting and turning off the non-winning ads on the original ad set, please. That is something that is really, really important to keep in mind, okay? So this is the way that I like to test non-winning ads based on Meta. So you might ask, why are we doing this and we are not doing a normal A/B test, okay? This is the thing. I tried A/B tests and they are not as performing as this kind of A/B tests. The thing is, A/B tests are just a way to tell Meta which ad set is going to work better. So it is kind of the same as we just let the same ad set be the same creators in the same ad set. So that's why I don't like an automatic A/B test. So try this. You're gonna see in a few days if it worked or if it didn't work. My suggestion is you let it like for 4 days at least, okay? And you're gonna see if it is working or not. And if it is working, then you now have the results that you wanted to get. If it didn't work, then just deselect that. My suggestion though is that if you're doing on a 10 euros a day and now you're starting to do this manual A/B test, my recommendation to you is that you do 5 euros on the new ad set and 5 euros on the other ad set. So you see what is the difference on the same budget, okay? So maybe you can just put more than 10 euros a day. So just create the 2 ad sets, 5 euros in one and another 5 euros in another one. Hey everyone, so it's been 2 days from the last clip you saw. For me, it's been 2 days. For you, it's been like seconds. But I'm going to show you what's the difference in the Meta ads campaigns, okay? In the Meta ad sets actually. Yeah, I want to just show you what's happened, okay? So as you see right now, we have 2 ad sets that we did the A/B test, and this one we already have some winners, okay? 16 cents. So if you don't know, I don't want more than 20 cents, okay? It's not really profitable for us, but what I'm gonna show you, like 16 cents, yeah, we now have winning creatives that we were going to lose. Like we literally were going to lose. So now, instead of just throwing them to the trash, yeah, or turning them off, we actually found one creative that is working good. This one is not working good, so I'm gonna deselect it. And this one is, and maybe we'll have this one as well, okay? So now we found another winning creatives, as you see right now. So that is great, okay? Now, what is going on with the other A/B test I did? So let me do something, because this is 4 and 5, okay? We're not comparing actually. I'm gonna do 5 because today is Friday. I'm gonna compare them to the last 3 days, yeah? Wait, give me a second. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna compare today with the last 4 days, sorry. So you're gonna see, okay, we actually found some winning ads on this ad set. So let's see. Yeah, this one actually, yeah. So then we're gonna go into this ad set that is not going really good, and we're gonna see, okay, what's going on. Okay, so we're gonna compare them with this G. Okay, let me see. And what's going on? We can't really decide yet because we don't have enough. So I'm gonna keep it running. So once this happens, when you have below 500 reach, I wouldn't really recommend you to do some changes, okay? But I'm gonna show you another campaign I showed you the other day that we were doing actively a lot of A/B tests, okay? So if we go it was this one actually. You will see right now, okay? I'm gonna show you the proof that of the comparison, yeah? It's 13 cents, okay? And you're gonna see that we found new winning creatives in here, okay? This is 6 cents. This is 21. Okay, this is a little bit high, but it is okay. 16 cents, 14 cents, 10 cents. So obviously we found some winning creators on these 4 ones. Okay, that is great. You remember, if we didn't do this, we were actually going to throw them to the trash. So let me just show you one of them. Let's say this one, okay? S tier. So if we got to S tier, we already have 1 and 2 winning ads. So there we go. Let's go to the S tier winning ad, okay? Because we only have 1 winning ad. So the costs are increasing is normal because we're only doing this budget that is like what was it? It's 20 daily for just one ad. So it's normal that it will increase costs. But now we have new winning ads, so that is great. So that is the strategy I really want you to try. And you're gonna see that you're gonna find new winning creatives and you're gonna see better results. And yeah, I hope you liked this video. I hope you learned a lot. And if you need a marketing agency that is going to actually run your campaigns, scale your campaigns, decrease costs, and get you new clients or new leads or new whatever you need, okay, to grow your business, like, you should hire my agency, okay? You have in the description, yeah, a link to book a call with me so we can see what we can do, okay? Well, yeah, I'll see you in the next video or I'll see you on the call. Bye.